residents of Long Island don't fall for this scam. So I just read this article, which is pretty nuts. Some guys are going around. This happened both in Greenvale and another case was reported in Roslyn, where men who were posing as contractors would go to the homes of the elderly, ring the doorbell, say, "Hey, we think that there may be something wrong with your roof. Can we take a look?" One guy goes up, and while the other guy is there talking to the homeowner, the guy that goes up on the roof starts actually causing the damage to the roof. Then they say, "Oh, look at that, we found something," and leave the homeowner screwed. So I don't normally post things about this, but it made me immediately think of, I believe in California, insurance companies, as we all know, insurance is going crazy right now. But in, I believe, California, the insurance companies actually have drones flying around to look at the tops of people's roofs to see if it's in good condition or not, and assess what the insurance rate should be for them. Imagine these people scammed you like that, and then in addition to you having to have to fix it, you got banged over the head with insurance. Be careful out there, folks. If you see anybody trying to do this, call the cops immediately and tell them you already have somebody that fixes your roof.